Hey guys, DD Cubing, and today is a review of the Shizheng 2x2. Thank you so much for supporting me. Our channel just passed 80 subscribers and it's awesome. Now, I don't really play 2x2 that much, but this cube looks cool, so I decided to do a review on it. So, without further ado, let's go. Okay, now let's get into some first turns. So yeah, I really like how the cube turns. It feels really looby. Normally when something comes out of the box, it's really dry, but this cube feels really looby. But it catches a bit sometimes, when I play. The corner cutting is fine, but it's not that good. Here, see? Yeah. Now I just played with this for a while. It kind of catched up and locked up a bit, but I can't do it. I can't show to you guys how I mean. I can't I can't make it catch. Yeah, but when I actually play it, I don't know why it locks up a lot. See what I mean? Yeah. What? Did I solve it while I was scrambling it? I don't care. So all this cube feels good. I like it. Ooh, wanna twist? Yeah. This cube is really fun to solve and play with. Yeah, it's just really fun to play with. So we played it a lot now, so now I'm gonna do a solve. No, I don't really have a timer, so just gonna do solve for fun. So this cube is really smooth. That's actually, if I have a timer, I think that's my new PB on 2x2. I don't know. Every time I do reviews, I have to do J-frames. Really fun. I kind of like how it's looby inside, but it's not looby outside, so that we don't make our hands dirty. Yeah, smooth feelings. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Also, can we get 10 likes? Yeah, you can do that.